I saw it in that building.
What show?
The video that we just saw. The water's still low.
There it is.
I mean, on this side, it's low after this rainy season.
It's supposed to be higher, what?
It's supposed to be higher. It rained a lot.
Huh. I thought it. Maybe the other side?
Stand right here, repeat.
First time I came, there was a elevator here. Watch out, taking a picture.
No, you can just cross. Yeah, you can cross. It's fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There's your bridge.
That's the bridge. That's the bridge.
Deep bridge.
A new bridge. Let's go see the outside. Come on.
Mom.
Thank you. And it is still lower than usual. This is Nevada time.
And it's supposed to be up to where it's still light.
Okay.
Trino?
Yes, it was supposed to be all the way up.
What happens to the water that
Look, the elevator used to be here. That's what I went in the first time I came here. Back in
Well, no, when
80.
we came too, that's where we went in from. I remember that.
No,
No.
we went through there. But
remember
that was
one.
back in the 80s.
I don't know. I don't remember. Maybe it was like
Back in 79, somewhere there.
But if it covers up to there, maybe it would cover this too, you know,
That's how it's supposed to be. See those grids?
that. Yeah.
That's where it's supposed to be, all the way up. Yeah.
See, was it up there?
Yeah, close to it. I can almost touch the water.
There. Why is the water like so big? Algae. Looks like Kool-Aid.
This is Arizona time. As you can see, it's the same time as California. I'm sorry, Nevada, because they don't observe daylight saving time.
Yeah, but isn't it 12 over there?
At the same time, because they don't. Arizona does not observe daylight saving time.
It's 11. Is it 11?
12. It's 11. No, it's 12:20, and it's 12:20. Same thing in Nevada, because Arizona does not observe daylight saving time.
How do you know?
Oh, I know that.
That's a fact.
That's a fact.
So like they're even now.
Yeah.
Right now they're even until September or October. No, more like November.
No, we're going back.